luna tarde nos recibe un comunicado de prensa emitido por el secretario de Estado americano John Kerry en nombre del presidente Barack Obama. Señor Kerry está felicita al pueblo de Aruba para su celebración de Día Diabético y nos colega de 15 al 15, Daniela Piazzi, tiene más noticia aquí.
Danke pai passe, amita Daniela Piazzi. E simang aqui e comunidade de Aruba ahaya dushi fim de semana largo durante a celebração nacional de Dia Diabético. Durante o aniversário aqui, o pueblo ahaya hope deseo de pa bien, pero es un día más especial a bien for the Cas Blanco na Washington, D.C.
The late Betico Cruz was a political activist and former school teacher who helped Aruba obtain its separate status within the Dutch Kingdom in 1986. Since then, Aruba became an autonomous member of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. On this official national holiday, celebrations take place on various events, from sporting, folkloric, to Harley-Davidson bike tours to culinary festivals. This year, the ceremonial celebration took place at the Plaza Betico Cruz, where various members of parliament gave tribute to Aruba's liberator. On this day, the island received an extraordinary surprise all the way from Washington, D.C. On behalf of President Barack Obama, the American Secretary of State John Kerry congratulated Aruba on this special day. This letter states, "On behalf of President Barack Obama and the people of the United States, I am delighted to offer my best wishes to the citizens of Aruba as they mark the anniversary of their independence on January 25th, a day named in the honor of statesman and patriot Betico Cruz." In recent years, Aruba has emerged as a key force in moving the Caribbean toward a clean energy future. This can be seen through the nation's development of one of the largest solar parks in the region, its hosting of the 6th annual Green Aruba Conference in 2015, its participation in the Caribbean Energy Security Summit in Washington, D.C., and its support for the COP21 summit in Paris, which yielded an unprecedented multilateral agreement to combat climate change. Taken together, these steps reflect Aruba's commitment to sustainability and to meeting its goal of being completely independent of fossil fuels by 2020. Aruba's dedication to environmental protection and clean energy is matched only by the warm hospitality of its citizens, rich culture, and beautiful beaches, which each year welcome millions of visitors from the United States. I wish all Arubans a year of peace and prosperity and a most festive day of celebration.
Para clarificar isso aqui, dia 25 de Januari não está dia da independência de Aruba, sino é fecha natalício de Betico Cruz, que está considerada como a data de nossa isla e também conhecida como Aruba, seu libertador. Dia 18 de março, em verdade, Aruba, seu dia nacional, himno e bandeira. Amita Daniela Piazzi, para Noticia Awenochi.
Mas danke, Daniela.